Have you ever wondered what powers Google's advanced search and ad capabilities? Today, we're going to explore this very question and introduce you to an important player in this digital game, Google Gemini. Google Gemini, for those unfamiliar, is a tool that dramatically enhances Google's search and advertising capabilities. It's a powerhouse that integrates mobile search and display advertising in one platform. But why is it important for us to understand it? Well, as we navigate through the digital world, whether we're tech enthusiasts or just ordinary netizens, we're constantly interacting with search engines and digital advertisements. Understanding the technology behind these interactions helps us appreciate the convenience and efficiency it brings to our digital lives. Now, Google Gemini isn't just a fancy name, it plays a pivotal role in Google's advanced search and ad capabilities. It's the engine that drives the accuracy of the search results we see and the relevance of the ads that appear on our screens. Imagine Google as a restaurant. If Google Search is the chef preparing all the information we need, Google Gemini is the sous chef, ensuring that the right ingredients, in this case, the most relevant search results and ads, are on hand. But Google Gemini doesn't stop there. It's also a pioneer in unifying the world of mobile search and display advertising. Before Gemini, these two were like distant cousins, related but not really talking. Gemini brought them together, creating a seamless experience for users and advertisers alike. It's like a bridge connecting two islands and facilitating a smooth and efficient flow of traffic. As we continue to rely heavily on digital platforms, Google Gemini's significance only grows. It's not just a tool, but a game changer, shifting the landscape of digital advertising and search and shaping the way we interact with the online world. Google Gemini is indeed a game changer, but how does it work? Let's delve into its intricate workings. At its core, Google Gemini is all about data and algorithms. Understanding Google Gemini begins with understanding its two primary components, data and algorithms. This powerful combination is what sets Google Gemini apart and drives its capabilities. Picture this. Data in its rawest form is like a vast, unexplored ocean. It has depth, it has breadth, but without the right tools, it remains largely inaccessible. That's where algorithms come into play. Algorithms act like a sophisticated navigation system, capable of diving into this ocean of data and retrieving the most relevant information. In the context of Google Gemini, this data is user information. Every click, every search, every interaction you have with Google is a piece of data. Google Gemini collects this data and then employs algorithms to analyze and understand it. The goal, to enhance your experience as a user. But Gemini doesn't stop at just collecting and analyzing data. It goes one step further. It uses this data to predict and anticipate your needs even before you're fully aware of them. It's like having a personal assistant who knows you so well they can finish your sentences. Now, let's talk about how this plays out in real life. When you use Google to search for something, Gemini is at work behind the scenes. It takes your search query, runs it through its algorithms, and sifts through its vast ocean of data to find the most relevant results. And it does all this in a fraction of a second. But Google Gemini isn't just about improving search. It also plays a significant role in improving ad experiences by understanding your preferences and interests. Gemini can deliver ads that are more relevant and less intrusive. It's a win-win situation. You see ads that actually interest you, and advertisers reach an audience that is genuinely interested in their products or services. Google Gemini thus stands as an epitome of Google's commitment to better user experiences. It is a testament to the power of data and algorithms, and a shining example of how they can be used to create a more personalized, more efficient, and overall better online experience. And now that we understand the concept, let's delve into the technicalities of Google Gemini. Google Gemini, at its heart, is a complex structure of technology and data. Its architecture is a marvel that intertwines data processing with algorithmic intelligence, all geared towards enhancing user experience and targeted advertising. The architecture of Google Gemini is built on a multi-layered approach. The first layer is responsible for data collection. Here, various data points are gathered from different sources, including search queries, user behaviors, and demographics. This raw data forms the foundation of Google Gemini's operations. The second layer is focused on data processing. This is where Google Gemini truly shines. It's designed to handle vast amounts of data, processing them at lightning-fast speeds. It's not just about handling the volume of data, but also about managing the velocity and variety of data that flows into its system. To put it simply, Google Gemini is a big data analytics powerhouse. And then we come to the third layer, which is all about algorithmic intelligence. Google Gemini utilizes machine learning algorithms to sift through the processed data. These algorithms identify patterns and trends, learning from the data to make predictions about future user behaviors. It's these predictions that make Gemini so valuable for advertisers, as they can tailor their ads to meet the anticipated needs of their prospective customers. Now let's talk about the data processing capabilities of Google Gemini. This is where the magic happens. Google Gemini can process petabytes of data in real time, making sense of the information as it flows in. It does this by using advanced data processing techniques like parallel processing and distributed computing. These techniques allow Google Gemini to handle the sheer volume of data it receives, processing it quickly and efficiently. But it's not just about speed. Google Gemini is also about accuracy. It uses sophisticated algorithms to ensure the data is processed correctly and accurately. This means that the insights derived from the data are reliable, providing a solid foundation for decision-making. And then there's the algorithmic intelligence. Google Gemini uses machine learning to understand the data it processes. These algorithms are continually learning and adapting, refining their understanding of the data over time. This means that the predictions made by Google Gemini become more accurate over time, providing advertisers with a continually improving resource for targeting their ads. So, what does all this mean? Well, it means that Google Gemini is more than just a data processing platform. It's a smart system that learns from data, using it to make predictions and provide insights. It's a system that can handle vast amounts of data, processing it quickly and accurately. And it's a system that uses advanced algorithms to make sense of the data it processes. So, Google Gemini isn't just about data, it's about smart data processing. Let's shift gears and look at how Google Gemini revolutionizes online advertising. Advertising has always been about reaching the right people at the right time with the right message. But Google Gemini takes this to a whole new level. It's not just about broadcasting your message to the masses, it's about fine-tuning your message to reach the individuals who are most likely to respond. So how does Google Gemini do this? It all starts with ad placement. Traditionally, ad placement was largely a matter of guesswork and generalization. But with Google Gemini, it's a precise science. Google Gemini uses sophisticated algorithms to analyze user behavior and preferences, placing ads where they're most likely to be seen and engaged with. It's like having your own personal advertising consultant working round the clock to optimize your ad campaign. But ad placement is just the beginning. Google Gemini also revolutionizes the way we target our ads. Instead of relying on broad demographic categories, Google Gemini allows us to target our ads based on individual user behavior. This means we can deliver personalized ads that are tailored to the user's specific interests and needs. It's a game changer. It's like having a conversation with your audience rather than shouting at them from a distance. And then there's performance measurement. In the past, measuring the success of an ad campaign was a complicated and often inaccurate process. But Google Gemini simplifies this process by providing real-time analytics that allow us to track the performance of our ads in real time. We can see exactly how many people are engaging with our ads and how they're interacting with them. This allows us to adjust our strategy on the fly, making our ads more effective and efficient. What's more, Google Gemini's advanced analytics tools allow us to understand not just how our ads are performing, but why they're performing the way they are. By analyzing user behavior, we can identify trends and patterns that can help us improve our future ad campaigns. It's like having a crystal ball that reveals the secrets of advertising success. So what does all this mean for advertisers? It means that with Google Gemini, we can reach our audience in a more meaningful and effective way. We can deliver ads that are not just seen, but engaged with. We can measure our success with precision and use this information to improve our future campaigns. With Google Gemini, advertising is not just about reach, but about relevance and results. It's about creating a connection with our audience and delivering a message that resonates. It's about turning viewers into customers and customers into brand advocates. It's about making advertising not just a cost, but an investment in our brand's future. With Google Gemini, advertising is not just about reach, but about relevance and results. Now, let's see how Google Gemini transforms our search experiences. In the ever-evolving digital world, Google Gemini emerges as a game changer, revolutionizing the way we search. This advanced technology enhances our search experiences in three fundamental ways: speed, accuracy, and relevance. To start with speed, Google Gemini is like a sprinter in the realm of search engines. It's quick, agile, and efficient. It cuts through the vastness of the internet with the precision of a surgeon, delivering results in the blink of an eye. This is crucial in a world where time is often the scarcest resource we have. Imagine typing in a query and before you even finish, the results are ready waiting for you. That's Google Gemini for you, a true embodiment of speed, but speed alone isn't enough. What good is it to have quick results if they are not accurate? This is where Google Gemini shines again. It employs sophisticated algorithms to sift through billions of web pages, selecting the ones that best match your query. The technology it uses is so advanced that it can understand the context of your search, interpreting your intent, not just your words. So if you're looking for the latest sci-fi movies, it won't just give you a list of all sci-fi movies, it will give you the latest ones based on your search intent. This level of accuracy is what makes Google Gemini stand out. Let's now touch on the third aspect, relevance. Google Gemini doesn't just provide accurate results, it provides relevant ones. It takes into account several factors, such as your location, search history, and even the time of your search to deliver results that are most relevant to you. For instance, if you're searching for coffee shops late at night, it will show you the ones that are open and nearby, rather than just a random list of coffee shops. This attention to relevance makes your search experience more personalized and efficient. The beauty of Google Gemini lies in its ability to integrate these three aspects, speed, accuracy, and relevance, into a seamless search experience. It's like having a personal assistant who knows exactly what you want, when you want it, and how to get it for you, all in a matter of seconds. But it's not just about making our lives easier. Google Gemini is also about making the internet a more accessible place. By delivering faster, more accurate and relevant search results, it allows more people to find the information they need when they need it. It breaks down barriers, making knowledge more accessible to all. Google Gemini, in essence, makes search smarter and faster. No system is perfect, and Google Gemini has its own set of challenges and limitations. Indeed, while Google Gemini is a powerful tool that offers a wealth of opportunities for advertisers and search users alike, it isn't without its hurdles. Among these are data privacy concerns, algorithmic biases, and technical complexities. Let's begin with data privacy concerns. As we all know, in this digital age, data is the new gold, and its protection is paramount. Google Gemini, being a data-driven platform, collects and processes staggering amounts of user data to deliver its services. This naturally raises questions about how secure this data is, who has access to it, and how it's being used. While Google has implemented stringent security measures and complies with global privacy regulations, the sheer volume and sensitivity of the data it handles can still be a cause for concern for some users. Next, we come to algorithmic biases. Google Gemini's algorithms are designed to learn from data and adapt over time. But, as with any machine learning system, these algorithms can inadvertently pick up and perpetuate biases present in the data they're trained on. This can lead to skewed results and even unfair practices in some cases. For example, if an algorithm is trained on data that shows a certain demographic clicking on a particular type of ad more often, it might start showing that ad to that demographic more frequently, potentially creating a feedback loop. Lastly, let's delve into the technical complexities. Google Gemini's services, while invaluable, are built on a highly complex technological foundation. This means that businesses wanting to fully leverage the platform need to have a good understanding of its workings, or hire experts who do. This can be a barrier for smaller businesses or those with limited resources. Moreover, the platform's complexity also means that it can occasionally suffer from technical glitches or downtime, which can be disruptive for users. However, it's important to note that these challenges are not insurmountable. Google is continually working to improve data security, reduce algorithmic biases, and simplify the user experience. And as with any tool, the key to successfully using Google Gemini lies in understanding its limitations and working within them. Let's not forget that the benefits of Google Gemini, such as its highly targeted advertising capabilities and its ability to deliver relevant search results, are significant. These advantages can far outweigh the challenges for many businesses and individuals. In conclusion, while it's important to be aware of these challenges, they should be seen in the context of the larger picture. Google Gemini is a powerful tool that, when used responsibly and with an understanding of its limitations, can offer immense value. While Google Gemini has its challenges, its benefits certainly outweigh them. With such a powerful system in place, what does the future hold for Google Gemini? A question that invites us to explore the uncharted territories of possibilities, technological advancements, and digital revolutions. As we look to the future, Google Gemini is poised to redefine the landscape of search engine technology and online advertising. Its groundbreaking capabilities promise to further push the boundaries of what we currently understand as the norm. But how, you may ask? Firstly, let's consider artificial intelligence. AI is already a significant part of our lives, and Google Gemini is set to leverage this even further. The platform's potential for intelligent data analysis and predictive algorithms could revolutionize how we interact with the digital world. Imagine a future where search results are not just based on keywords, but on a deep understanding of your habits, preferences, and needs. Then there's machine learning. Google Gemini, with its advanced algorithms, stands at the forefront of this field. It's poised to learn from our behaviors, adapt to our needs, and constantly improve its performance. This isn't just about better search results or more effective ads, it's about creating a more personalized and intuitive online experience. But Google Gemini isn't stopping there. As we step into the future, we can expect this platform to play a key role in emerging technologies. Consider, for instance, the Internet of Things. With a multitude of connected devices in our homes and workplaces, Google Gemini could potentially be the bridge that links them all together, creating a seamless and integrated digital ecosystem. And let's not forget about virtual and augmented reality. As these technologies evolve, Google Gemini could be the driving force behind immersive and interactive digital experiences that blur the lines between the virtual and the real world. In short, the future of Google Gemini is not just about enhancing the present, but about shaping the future. It's about creating a digital world that's more connected, more intuitive, and more personalized than ever before. The future of Google Gemini is indeed bright and promising. So we've taken a deep dive into the world of Google Gemini. Over the course of this journey, we've explored the core concepts that underpin this innovative platform. We've delved into how Google Gemini integrates search and programmatic advertising into a single interface, providing a seamless experience for users and advertisers alike. This integration, coupled with the power of Google's vast data and artificial intelligence capabilities, has the potential to redefine the digital advertising landscape. We've also navigated the technical aspects of Google Gemini, understanding how it leverages technology to deliver personalized and relevant ads to users. From machine learning algorithms that predict user behavior to real-time bidding systems that ensure the most effective ad placements, Google Gemini embodies Google's commitment to technological innovation. In exploring the impact of Google Gemini on advertising and search, we've seen how it has the ability to transform the way businesses reach their customers. By providing a more targeted and personalized advertising experience, Google Gemini has the potential to significantly increase the effectiveness of digital marketing campaigns. Despite these advantages, we've also acknowledged the challenges and limitations of Google Gemini. From privacy concerns to the complexity of managing integrated campaigns, these issues highlight the need for continuous improvement and adaptation. Looking ahead to the future of Google Gemini, we've considered how it might evolve to meet the changing needs of users and advertisers. With Google's track record of innovation and commitment to user experience, it's likely that we'll see further enhancements and capabilities added to the platform in the coming years. In conclusion, Google Gemini represents a significant step forward in the convergence of search and programmatic advertising. It embodies the potential of technology to deliver more personalized, effective, and relevant advertising experiences. It's an exciting prospect for both users and advertisers, and one that's set to shape the future of digital advertising. As we continue to explore the digital world, Google Gemini will undoubtedly play a key role in shaping our experiences.